My name is Jad Ali. My father name is Mujad Ali. I belong to Kulyal. I am studying here in Minhajul Quran Islamic Center Fatehjam. Dear audience, you can see I am using simple Quran. Now I would like to recite some verses of the Holy Quran with English translation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ and amongst people مَنْ يَقُولُ there are some who say آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ we believe in Allah وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ and the last day وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ and whatever هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ they will not believe يُخَادِعُونَ اللَّهَ they seek to deceive Allah وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا and the believers وَمَا يَخْدَعُونَ إِلَّا أَنفُسَهُمْ but they seek to deceive themselves وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ and they will not believe. Now another place. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu, O people, u'budu, worship, Rabbakum, your Lord, alladhi khalaqakum, who created you, walladhina min qablikum, and those who before you, la'allakum tattaqun, so that you become God-fearing. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. At the end, I invite all of you, please join Tarmatul Quran program and learn the Holy Quran. May Allah give us tawfiq to learn the Holy Quran. Ameen. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I start in the name of Allah, most compassionate, ever merciful. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim. My father name is Nawar Khan. I belong to Langar.